Today we are going to do some cool tricky programs. So let's start. First tricky program is displaying message without a semicolon. Okay, now the message is hello Java. So you can ask any of your friend who thinks that he's a good programmer. Okay, you ask him to do this. Okay, then you will know that he is lying or not. Okay, now let's start. The basics of the program: public class test, public static void main, string arguments, now I'm going to add an if statement. If system dot out dot print f. Okay, now the message hello Java equals to null. Is it okay now? Okay, now I'm not writing here print or println, I'm writing here printf. Okay, remember this. Now here comes our tricky part. Concentrate here. Now we are not going to close this, but we are going to open another bracket, close it. Okay, now we'll close this one. Okay, this was the first tricky program. Now I'm going to compile it and check whether it is correct or not. Okay,
here is the first program, guys. I've done it in my laptop, so now let's just check it whether it is correct or not. I'm going to compile it. We found no syntax errors. We got the required message, guys. So now let's go on to the second tricky program.
now let's do the second tricky program. Okay, here we'll be adding two numbers. Without plus operator. This is an arithmetical operator. Okay, we use it to add two numbers, but in this program we are not going to use it. So is it interesting, guys? So if these programs are interesting, please comment in the comment box. Yes, so let's begin it. Public class test, public static void main string arguments, okay guys. Now I'm not using here scanner buffer class, I'm just initializing here. So int n1 is the first number. Okay, I'm taking it 3, n2 will be the second, and a for storing the sum of these two values. So now let's do the trick. A equals to n1, remember we are not going to use it. Okay, minus bracket minus and 2. Here this rule is applied, minus into minus is equal to plus. Okay guys, now let's print the sum. System dot out dot print sum equals to plus a. Now let's check this program on my laptop, that is correct or not. written the second tricky program in my laptop. So now let's compile it. We got no syntax error, guys. We got the desired result here. This proves that the logic is correct. So this will be a kind of good opportunity to challenge your friends and tell them to solve these tricky programs. So if you like this video, please press a like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.